Hi everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Am I audible, guys? Hello. I'm just waiting for Ujjwal to join in so that we can start the live. He's here.
Hi
Hi,
Ashna.
how are you?
Hi, what's up? All good. Are you able to see me? Can you
Awesome.
hear me properly?
एक second. Huh? Yeah.
Can you
What were
see
you
me? Can
saying?
you hear me properly?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Awesome. So like
So,
before like starting out, I want you to introduce क्योंकि सारे तब तक audience जमा होंगे तब तक we'll do the
okay,
introduction section.
fine. So, yeah, about me, I don't know if everybody knows me or not. I'm just a small creator on Instagram who creates reels around stuff he
Who
likes.
doesn't know you?
No. Many people don't know me, yaar. So, I think many people here know Ashna a lot better than me. But
Lol.
I just have been creating. हाँ जे भी पूछूं मजा मत हमें केम सो so I've just been creating content around Instagram for quite some time, and yeah, that's about it. Otherwise, I'm a CA and an MBA in marketing. I work in marketing for a small firm in Mumbai, and otherwise I create content for a living. So yeah, that's about it. So yes, Ashna, about you, I don't think we've spoken ever before this. We've spoken a couple of times on
No.
chat, but never in person. So yeah, a
Yeah.
bit about you also.
So currently I'm pursuing my second year in BMS in finance. Apart from that, like I'm doing my content creation as a side hustle. And yeah, that's about it. And yeah, I mean content creation and my studies are going all together. College lives have sucked up because of this whole lockdown situation. I don't know, would I be able to ever see the college again?
नहीं, I hope so too यार. I'm glad that मेरा college काफी time पहले हो गया. A year big fan of your too, bro. So I'm glad कि college. I don't know, college is right now it's doesn't even make sense to join any college. Many people ask me कि sir MBA कैसे करना है. I mean we want to do an MBA. I tell them boss अभी MBA क्यों करना है यार. ये सब खत्म हो जाए, college खुल जाए, उसके बाद करना. Because I think the batch which is doing an
But
MBA
these
right
guys
now.
want to study in, prior कि यार एग्जाम आने से पहले if I'm well prepared, अगर in case lockdown खुल गया, just in case,
नहीं, I don't
anytime
think.
soon.
नहीं, अभी तो एग्जाम्स कैंसिल हो रहे हैं यार. अभी आई डोंट इवन थिंक दैट एग्जाम्स विल बी हेल्ड फॉर अ व्हाइल. But
But
yeah, I think
I'm considering myself very lucky with this.
no. I mean, you obviously have content creation going on as a side hustle. So yes, I mean it's good on your part that you're doing something even otherwise. But there are many people who basically aren't really doing something on the side, and with college not there and they are not able to study also. So I think it's taking a toll on everybody altogether. Plus, there are many people now जिनका the ones majorly affected, I feel, are the ones जिसकी पढ़ाई बीच में ही अटक गई है and they can't do anything about it. So I
Especially the
think
ones who are like 9 10th में जितने भी लोग हैं, I feel like so bad. 12th तक तो at least I feel कि यार नहीं होना चाहिए था ये, because मेजर जो पढ़ाई होती है वो वहीं अटक जाती है. फिर
exactly.
बाकी
No,
आगे तो anyone can pursue कुछ
that's
भी.
true. But see, even if colleges are shut and all that is fine, but I think there are so many people who are doing online courses and all those things right now that at least in my time, I remember when I was in college and when I was pursuing my CA as a degree and all, there were so many online courses and all that is not really available and not really working. But now I can definitely say for myself that in the past 6 months, the amount of learning which I have had through a variety of online
True.
courses, that kind of things, I barely learned any of it through during my college and
Schools
school
and
days. So I
colleges,
think,
yeah.
yeah, I mean, right now, see, stock market and all those kind of things. You vividly speak about all these things. I am starting to speak about them on social media, but it was not this idea, this all knowledge was not so easily available. Like right now, if we see on YouTube, there are so many content creators who are speaking so freely and so simply about these concepts. I mean, I wish there was somebody to educate me like this maybe 5 6 years ago. So my life would have been a lot simpler than it eventually turned out to be. So yeah, I think
Yes.
even apart from schools and colleges and all those things, the amount of learning and the amount of courses which are available online, I think online is way better than offline education right now, in my opinion, if you know how to
100%.
use it
Like,
correctly.
yeah, yeah, of course. I absolutely agree. I started out my, not even just content creation, but apart from that, my finance journey totally like,
Hmm.
before lockdown, I wasn't even aware what is stock market. I wasn't even aware of any single company except Jo
Seriously,
Maggie Waggy. Yeah,
you are saying that. You are saying that despite
yes,
creating
yes,
so much finance
absolutely.
content.
Dude, I mean, I started out during lockdown और मैंने इतनी चीजें सीखी है just by sitting and doing and learning online. जितने भी courses YouTube, यार मैं सोच रही थी कि अगर मुझे इतना free time अपने पहले life में मिल जाता ना, I would have done so much more अगर पहले मिलता तो. But yeah, I mean, I'm very grateful of course. अभी regret करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. बट हाँ स्कूल से बेटर काफी ज्यादा ऑनलाइन है एंड सोशल मीडिया करते करते भी मुझे काफी सारा कुछ सीखने मिला लाइक व्हेन पीपल आस्क मी क्वेश्चंस तो उसके थ्रू भी मुझे बहुत कुछ रिसर्च करके सीखने मिलता है द थिंग्स व्हिच आई डोंट एक्चुअली नो तो वैसे भी मेरा काफी नॉलेज गेन हुआ उसके थ्रू
That's great. So what are we basing this live around? क्या बात करनी है? Let's
हाँ
just entertain
so
people. My friend Ayyar is obviously pulling my leg over here. I'm definitely sure he's asking me which stocks to buy. We will definitely try to get into that. भाई उसके बारे में बात करते हैं यार. Give us some time.
तो हमने बेसिकली लाइव किया है क्योंकि जो भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स है अपकमिंग और मे बी जितने भी एग्जिस्टिंग या फिर जो भी हम यूज कर रहे हैं उसकी स्ट्रैटेजीज उस पे क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ सकता है दैट दीज ऑल आर थिंग्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस सो व्हाट डू यू फील लाइक आफ्टर जॉइनिंग इंस्टाग्राम आफ्टर स्टार्टिंग योर कंटेंट क्रिएशन जर्नी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम लाइक जस्ट सोनली इंस्टाग्राम क्या चेंज हुआ है क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज आई है
Dude, I think, see, I'll commence from the start. I started off I started off with YouTube. This was sometime back in February 2020, last year, more than 12 months back. So I started off with YouTube. I had no idea how to go about it. मुझे कुछ भी मालूम नहीं था. I just had an idea and I just created a video around it. It was briefly around 7 8 minutes long. I've even uploaded it on my IGTV, like my first video. I created that video just for the sake of it. I just wanted to see कि यार कैसा reaction आता है उसका. I put it. It obviously failed. It obviously failed. It had to fail, and it's a good thing that it failed because I got to know that where I stand. I thought कि बहुत चलेगा, बहुत viral होगा, and people will really like it. But I'm very sure nobody saw it beyond 1 minute. Nobody saw it because it was even I see that video right now. I say to myself, "बॉस ये क्या है यार? ये मैंने क्यों बनाया था?"
But then you must be proud ना यार कि वहां से यहाँ
Yeah,
तक का journey is
yeah,
superb.
it all started with that one video, but it actually was difficult on YouTube because it took me a while to realize that YouTube was very difficult to crack. It
Yeah,
was
and
very
YouTube
difficult.
की एक चीज है कि यार just like Instagram you can grow like in few months or years, but actually YouTube actually takes a lot of time, a lot of
Exactly,
nurturing. And I feel कि Instagram से ज्यादा loyal audience YouTube पे create हो सकती है because 30 seconds
exactly.
में Instagram पे you can't put every single thing on,
I know.
and it's very difficult for audience to even believe us. तो
Yes,
Instagram पे
exactly.
ये एक इशू मुझे काफी ज्यादा फेस हुआ है हर बार.
Hey, Instagram pe yaar, I'm surprised you're not having 60-second reels now. I got that update quite some time
I
back.
didn't bother it
But
यार.
many people are getting it slowly. They are getting that update. But thankfully, 60 seconds हो गया है, so I have a lot of time to explain a concept. But still, after a point, वो 60 seconds भी कम लगेगा. But because of
True.
that, YouTube पे I did 4 5 videos and they were not working, quite frankly. The people who were liking it, they were liking it. They were happy seeing that. But otherwise, it was not happening. Then I got this idea कि boss, Instagram पे people can post IGTV videos and people can post those 1 minute posts also. Not reels. वो time पे reels नहीं थे. So thankfully reels got introduced later. So Instagram पे I thought that okay, it's better because Instagram पे I still had a few followers. So वहाँ पे मैंने शुरू किया. and then after that it actually started gaining traction, but still it was not that great. I mean, Instagram पे I was able to grow up to 1500 odd followers, तब तक हो गया था. Then after that I was like, छोड़, अब मैं सिर्फ बनाऊंगा, I just want to entertain this bunch of people that I already have. I don't want to do anything on this. Then Instagram Reels came into the picture. Thankfully TikTok ban हो गया and Instagram Reels आ गए बीच में.
Then why didn't you like started making out on TikTok? मतलब वो
I
भी
didn't
इतना
know
ट्रेंडिंग था.
about TikTok. I didn't know because मुझे मालूम ही नहीं था. मुझे लगा था that ऐसा, firstly I didn't even have an idea कि हाँ यार ये 30 सेकंड में ऐसा भी तो बना सकते हैं ना. मेरे दिमाग में सिर्फ ये ढांचा फंसा हुआ था that you can only make long videos when you want to educate audience. You can only do like आपको सिर्फ ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलना है, लंबे वीडियोस बनाने हैं, तो ही लोगों को समझ में आएगा, नहीं तो समझ में नहीं आएगा. दिस वाज माय प्रीकंसीव्ड नोशन.
Mindset. Okay.
हाँ, अभी रील्स जब आए ना उसके बाद आई सॉ अ फ्यू क्रिएटर्स. आई सॉ दिस वन गाय कॉल्ड दिव्यांशु दमानी.
Yeah, he's awesome, bro. Like मैंने भी उसका देखा था like just beginning जब रील स्टार चालू हुए थे.
So
राज
like
शमानी and दिव्यांशु.
he was just creating content like 3 ways to do this, 5 ways to do that, two things to know about this. And I'm like, हाँ, this is a good genre of content. ऐसे भी तो content बन सकता है. And then he was just making it so crisp. Like in those, at that time there were 15-second reels. तो वो time पे he was making very crisp videos. उसके बाद I thought कि हाँ, इस type का content भी तो बन सकता है. But then धीरे धीरे I got into that way. And then when I posted my first reel, initial few reels were about comedy. I was posting stuff about Tom and Jerry at that time. So वो लोगों को पसंद आ रहा था. So I thought, okay, let's do this. अभी अगर मैं 1 मिनट के लिए इतना लंबा बोल सकता हूँ, तो यार मैं सिर्फ 15 सेकंड के लिए इतना छोटा छोटा बोल के एक चीज अप्लाई.
तभी तो 15 सेकंड था ना, like अभी
It was 15
फिर भी
seconds.
30.
That was difficult. 15 seconds was a task. उसमें हो ही नहीं सकता था. So that's how it started. Now then what happened was that I got this idea from at that time मेरे काफी सारे CA students followers थे. So many CA students were following me at that point. तो वहाँ पे 2-3 students they reached out to me and they said that sir आप CA के ऊपर कुछ बनाओ ना, like CA students को help हो सके या फिर CA के concepts आप समझा सको or something like that. So I thought कि हाँ चलो बन सकता है, इसको कुछ try करते हैं, जुगाड़ करते हैं. At that point even my reels were not working that much. Views आ रहे थे but nothing was getting any exponential reach. फिर एक, so like I had my own strategy when I was appearing for CA papers, जो मैंने सीखा था मेरे time पे, like tricks for appearing, actually writing the paper, how to do that, how to present and stuff. So उसके ऊपर I made a reel which was just my own theory, like मतलब it's how I attempted a paper and I got a certain number of marks. So वो मैंने डाला. So luckily that one reel got crazy viral at that time. मतलब मेरे उस टाइम पे 1500 followers थे and that one reel got somewhere around 100k views. So that was a big thing for me at that point. Because मुझे उतने views मेरे 1 महीने 2 महीने के content से भी नहीं मिले थे जितना मुझे वो 2-3 दिन में मिले. So now
Actually मेरे साथ भी same हुआ था, like
Yes,
you know
yes,
मेरा जब first like I created 10 reels, 10-15 reels हो गए थे मेरे, in fact more than that, and then suddenly एक tax का video just got boomed और उसकी वजह से I gained almost 10,000 followers. So I
Yes,
was like ठीक है, tax का concept चल रहा है तो I'll make more about tax. बनाते गई बना के
tax का you made that video or what, वो chapter 6 से deductions those 5 वो वाला क्या, और some other one?
No, तो वो तो अभी recent था काफी, but starting में मैंने डाला था जहाँ पे you know you can travel free on government's expense, like LTA basically, like leave travel allowance.
Okay,
So like I gave it a catchy headline, तो you know उसकी वजह से काफी push मिला वो reel को, like free on government's expense, मतलब कुछ तो होगा
True,
so the catchy headlines actually work so better on Instagram, like short reels पे especially. मैंने हमेशा try किया ऐसा, वो चलता ही है, मतलब कुछ भी, मतलब ऐसा एक भी नहीं reel गया मेरा.
So catchy headline by mean in the first 5 to 10 seconds you must have said something which got catchy, like a clickbait sort of thing.
हाँ. But then अंदर का information is very accurate. It's not like
clickbait.
clickbait.
You can't just say anything and expect it to work. It has to be accurate. It has to be of help. So yes, I think mostly जितने भी creators हैं ना, almost everyone, and I think this is one thing which I can speak very confidently for everybody. It's that काफी लोगों ने मेहनत किया, काफी लोगों ने कंटेंट डाला, बट वो एक रील ऐसा फटा, इतना वायरल हुआ that because of
कितने
that
views गए उसको?
everybody got traction because of that one reel. So now उस एक reel की वजह से, for you that one reel was something, for me that was something. Everybody had that one reel at the start which got crazy viral, जिससे सबको, everybody got this evidence that okay हाँ यहाँ पे चल रहा है, this can work, this can actually make sense. So I think that's how it happened. And वो एक reel viral हुआ, after that we got that push of motivation also कि हाँ यार ये viral हो रहा है, मतलब this actually works, this can work, let's create more. ये ज्यादा बना के देखते हैं, काम करते हैं, let's see. And then one thing led to another, and here we
And
are
that's
today
how it
having this
started.
life.
Yeah,
Exactly.
absolutely.
And
And apart from Instagram, which other platform do you feel कि यार काफी मस्त है, like it will work out
I
soon?
think LinkedIn, Instagram के
लिंक्डइन
बाद
डू
I
यू
think
मतलब मेरे को वो काफी ज्यादा एकदम प्रोफेशनल फॉर्मल लगता है, लाइक you cannot post anything, even a small mistake can cause a lot of chaos around that particular post.
small mistake,
I
I
feel
think,
very
can you
like
elaborate?
अगर मैंने कोई भी अगर कुछ भी गलती से कुछ भी डाला मैंने अपना ओपिनियन या अपना व्यू, तो इट कैन बिकम वेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल अगर लोगों को एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं लगा तो.
वो तो
एंड
Instagram पे
लाइक हाँ, बट यहाँ पे लोग इतने प्रोफेशनल और फॉर्मल वे में नहीं है, मतलब लाइक इट्स वेरी इनफॉर्मल, लाइक आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन यू दिस, बट आई फील काफी इंटिमिडेटिंग लगता है मुझे लिंक्डइन, टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक, काफी प्रोफेशनल और फॉर्मल. लाइक इट्स जस्ट गुड इफ यू वांट टू लाइक हैव अ, इफ यू हैव दैट मच प्रॉपर इन्फॉर्मेशन कि यार हाँ ये सही ही है, मतलब खुद का व्यू वगैरह कुछ नहीं, बट बस ये सही है तो डाल
So,
दो.
from the way I see it, I think LinkedIn actually works a lot if you post your specific opinion about something. Because see, every platform has a different way. अभी यहाँ पे
Like I
Instagram पे
haven't started it, but मेरा opinion रहा है इतने टाइम से, so I haven't started अभी तक, क्योंकि like एक intimidating वाला feeling आता है मुझे LinkedIn से. So I
that's okay.
started Twitter.
That factor exists across all platforms. But I think the way every platform works is different. Like for example, if I want to use Instagram, I cannot post long videos on Instagram now because IGTV of 4 to 5 minutes long video are suitable for LinkedIn. Sorry, for YouTube. For Instagram, what's suitable is short form video content. Same way on LinkedIn. LinkedIn पे जो सबसे ज्यादा चलता है, those are documented posts. That's what I feel. Because I have tried everything on LinkedIn. I have tried putting my videos on LinkedIn. मतलब मेरे जो videos होते हैं, जो reels होते हैं, I click them and I put them on LinkedIn and I see how that works. It doesn't work. And I tried putting my posts also on LinkedIn. Whatever posts that I have, like on Twitter पे मैंने post डाला, उसका I make a screenshot and I put it on LinkedIn. Even that doesn't work. For quite
Oh.
some extent, it doesn't work. But if I'm putting documented posts, what I have tried doing lately is that मैं मेरे reels में जो बोलता हूँ ना, उसका I make a document. I literally type it and then I post that to
I do
LinkedIn.
this for Twitter.
I post, yeah, you might be posting threads for Twitter. I do the exact same thing on LinkedIn, and that kind of seems to work. That has been working. That has been getting more views. But LinkedIn pay. I do you know this one guy called Vaibhav Sisanti?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, I
but
do.
this guy has this one killer course on LinkedIn.
Yeah,
I don't
I
know if
know
you
that. I
buy
was
it or not.
about to buy that, but I was like,
I
छोड़, LinkedIn is not
I've
my
bought it
thing.
twice and I've did it twice because पहले मैंने किया था बहुत टाइम पहले, उसके बाद ही updated the content. So that's when I did that. Somebody asked, are you reading the comments? Yes, we are. We'll try to address the questions towards the end because we are having a
Yeah.
conversation right now.
Also, I
But
was
towards
thinking
the
कि
end, the
यार
questions
किसी
are
दो तीन लोगों को ऐसे लाइव पे ऐड कर दे, so that it will become more interactive. कोई भी सोशल मीडिया के रिलेटेड कुछ भी क्वेश्चन हुआ तो.
Yeah, true that. Yeah, somebody said Clubhouse. Yeah, Clubhouse में we'll try talking about Clubhouse because मुझे भी Clubhouse अभी तक समझ में नहीं आया क्या concept है. But Clubhouse I'm feeling is apt for people जिनको phone पे बात करना अच्छा लगता है. There are some people जो phone देख के like they don't pick up cell phones. They rather prefer chatting over phones. So I have been attending a few Clubhouse sessions lately. पिछले 2-3 दिन में I attended a few sessions and it was just like having this Instagram live, but without us two seeing each other.
Yeah,
So I think, yeah,
Avalon.
I know. Avalon Scenes is also one app. I have been approached by them, but I didn't have had the time to see
I've
it.
done that. It's amazing. Like, no, I mean, जितने लाइव पे आते उतने वहाँ पे नहीं आते, but exposure is a little bit good. मतलब इतना भी अच्छा नहीं है, but it is good. Like the audience अगर 15-20 भी आती है, 50 तक भी आती है, तो भी the people are so genuine, और like so much into like that particular subject and have that much well knowledge about that thing, और फिर वो लोग join करते रहे. I've been
So,
through
so
that.
like, how does it work? Can you elaborate? Like, वो कैसे
It's
चलता है
just
वहाँ
like
पे?
Clubhouse, same Clubhouse, like Indian version of Clubhouse is Avalon, जहाँ पे you have to speak about a particular topic. It can be interactive. You can have panelists and then you can add speakers. So it's just the way Clubhouse works, but सिर्फ वो out of India है, ये India का
Hmm.
है. So yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So otherwise, yeah, I think Clubhouse के बारे में I don't think I'm the right person to comment right now because I don't
Even
know
I
about it
haven't
that
tried
much.
that.
I haven't tried it, and I still maybe in the next 1 or 2 months, if I try it properly, if I use it properly, then I guess I might be able to provide an opinion. But so far, the apps which I use myself are Instagram number one, number two is Twitter, and Twitter पे भी like Twitter पे I'm not growing, but Twitter पे I tweet
Twitter
उसका
is so
picture.
awesome.
ट्विटर पे आई एम नॉट
थोड़ा
एबल टू ग्रो बिकॉज ट्विटर पे मैं डालता हूँ बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट आर द स्ट्रेटजीज टू ग्रो ऑन ट्विटर
Yeah,
आई
I
डोंट
mean,
नो पर्सनली
let me just tell you one कि
यस
यार
यू
जो
कैन
practical use होता है ना, like the things which we can do practically, like जैसे मैंने अभी मेरे finance का बताती हूँ, तो like you know कोई भी free courses हो गए या फिर you know कोई particular क्या बोलते हैं यार asset allocation strategy हो गई या फिर you know whether one should do SIP or lump sum, कोई भी you know जो एक life में you know practically use हो सके वो चीज, like you know the person who actually uses it वो ज्यादा करके you know Twitter पे ज्यादा काम करते हैं, like
ओके
practical things, not कि यार informative ones, you know, और funny type of content works a lot, काफी ज्यादा. And like I posted out a tweet, you know, friends reunion वाला, that I'm waiting for money heist, so that worked really well. उससे मेरे you know almost 50 gain हुए followers after that tweet. So you know something funny, something related to trend and something you know related to practicality, वो सारी चीजें ट्विटर पे ज्यादा चलती हैं.
yes I've been posting I've been trying to post stuff like that but I have seen myself Twitter का screenshot मैं Instagram पे डालता हूँ it kind of seems to work a lot better than compared to Twitter. So
हाँ हाँ.
one thing which I feel is that everybody should be there at least on Instagram. Like Instagram is number one, and Instagram branches out further into multiple areas. I mean, if somebody is not there on Instagram but is somewhere, I mean, you might have observed it yourself. All the good creators which are there on YouTube or who have grown on YouTube are also there on Instagram, and vice versa. So I think Instagram is one thing which is mandatory. It goes without saying for everyone, and yeah, I think that's about it. So
Awesome,
abhi
awesome.
my key focus is obviously on Instagram because it's growing. YouTube pe I'm trying to venture out. I'm trying, but apparently I'm not able to get time off my work, and we've been postponing this live for I don't know for a month now. So yeah, I think because of my work I'm not able to get time. But yes, I've been trying to stay as consistent as possible, and that one thing matters is consistency. Because many people look at me and they say यार उज्जवल के अचानक ही इतने ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स बढ़ गए उतने उतने उसने इतने
Yeah.
ज्यादा वीडियोस डाले भी नहीं है लाइक हाउ इतने इतने फॉलोअर्स कैसे बढ़ गए यार तुम्हारे रातों रात सो आई लिटरली गो टेल देम and I make them see that boss you see the number of posts which I have the number of reels which I have posted so far
And these
so
days people, you know, like earlier because reels were not existing,
हाँ
तो काफी लोगों को ना 600, 700, 1000 पोस्ट भी करने पड़ते थे. But now since reels are existing and reels काफी अच्छी reach भी दे रहा है, if the content is informative, apt, तो काफी अच्छी reach भी मिलती है. तो उसकी वजह से भी like you know अगर 100, 200, 300 posts पे भी I feel gaining followers are good.
true that. So
Yeah.
somebody's asking how can I make money through social media, especially Instagram. So I think this doesn't work immediately. Like immediately
Yeah,
नहीं होता वो
10,000 पाँच, at least you must have like 5,000
10K,
followers,
5 to
and
10K
your
is
engagement should be like I got a deal at 1,000 जब मेरा 1K हुआ था. I got one deal at that moment of time because there were no financial creators back then. ज़्यादा करके कोई नहीं थे, but two
हाँ
three financial creators थे. So I got my first deal at 1,000, but abhi I feel like since the competition is rising and everything's just going, like everyone are trying to make content on social media, so काफी
I
ज़्यादा competition भी हुआ है. So 5 to 10,000 पे I feel like one can get you know brand deals
do
अगर
that.
content engagement होगा उनके पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट या रील पे, तो
That's
वो
great.
भी मैटर करता है.
Plus to that, I'd like to add one thing is that if you happen to be a good speaker, so I am a public speaker, I like talking in public. So because of the content, because of the reels that you make, the videos that you make, you are more visible to the people. So through that, you can obviously get a lot of speaking engagement invites, because I've been getting those kind of
Yeah,
invites a lot. And I think we both
from
spoke
the
at
colleges
Isaac.
and all.
Yeah, we both spoke at Isaac, I think, this past week. That also I was going to cancel, but they were insisting so much. That's why I had to do it. But that way, you get a lot of invites through the people if they observe your work. And after a point, not starting में you have to do some free assignments. So free assignments करने के बाद, after a point, when you have built a brand and when you actually have done some work, at that point you are in a position to charge. So at that time you can charge money to these people, especially if they are in a capacity to pay. To them you can charge. Second way to monetize it,
Affiliates.
affiliates is one. I don't know majorly about affiliates, but I was in.
I also don't believe that much in affiliates. If I was on YouTube, then I would have tried to go for affiliates and all. But for Instagram, I don't feel affiliates are a much better way rather than sponsored post. And apart from that, like selling your own items, like your courses or your particular service that you provide, that way you can monetize. That's the third way.
Yes.
And is there any other
So
way?
yeah, I mean, this there are so many platforms now. Like for one, there is Tag Mango, which I know of, which
Yeah,
also
I
is of
did it.
Divyanshi. Second, there is a platform called Graphy. I mean, these are the ones at least who I have been in touch with lately. So Tag Mango Pay, what you can do is if you have a loyal audience on any platform, agar YouTube Pay you have a loyal audience, or say any platform pay, then you can actually use Tag Mango as a platform, and unke through you can start charging money from your loyal audiences. You can obviously offer them number one premium content, matlab aisa content which they need to pay to access. You can charge a fee for that. Second, if if you grow as an influencer, you might observe that many people are trying to reach out to you, many people are wanting to talk to you, they seek your help, they
True.
seek your advice or whatever. So and you can also have personal attention to them, you can have one-on-one meetings for them, and you
Yeah,
can charge for your
consultancy.
consultation. You can do that also, so that is one way. And you just need to start doing this initially. Obviously, like anything else, the money will be low towards the start. Obviously it is low, but once you
And
build
I
that
don't feel
credibility,
like if you are
yeah.
in your 80, Gen Z is kind of, who don't have that much experience and you're just starting out and not
Hmm.
doing any kind of job. I feel like for those kind of people, I feel कि उनकी पॉकेट मनी तो यहाँ से ही आ जाएगी यार. काफी ज्यादा पॉकेट मनी से भी काफी ज्यादा
Yes,
यहाँ से ही आ जाएगा.
that's true.
और
But उसके लिए भी I feel there is a lot of consistency that's required, because starting में कोई नहीं करता. It's only after you have built an audience at that time. So when it comes to building that audience, I think people have some misconstrued ideas. I mean, they try to do something that's not working. I mean, for example, if anybody wants to start creating content right now, if they are starting from the scratch, मतलब आज से पहले कभी नहीं किया, and they want to start doing it now, I would definitely recommend them Instagram Reels. मतलब आज मेरे पास कोई भी आता है ना, they tell me that Ujjwal, we want to start creating content, please tell me क्या करूँ मैं. I tell them, boss, Instagram Reels बनाओ यार, do what everybody else is doing. I mean, you see
yeah,
creators today, and no, but then they give me this very, very, very pathetic
cliche
excuse that,
answer.
well, we can't face the camera. We don't know how to face the camera, what to do. This is a very
घर पे
lame
बैठो.
excuse which people provide. So, I mean, even if you can't face a camera, you can.
Dude,
So
I
I
just want to
start.
show people मेरा first YouTube video, like I just so want to show. मतलब मैं embarrassed तो हो ही जाऊंगी पक्का. But I want to show कि यार starting में it's not कि यार it's a piece of cake. Maybe some people are just born with it, but हर किसी के, you know, not everyone are that confident and that talkative or better with communication, but with time your first reel might not be good, it might suck, it might be worse than anything, but your 100th reel would be worth spending those
Exactly.
days.
It's I posted a reel on this subject yesterday only, that there was a scene inside a photography class the professor created two groups of students, एक quantity group बनाया, एक quality group बनाया.
Yeah, oh,
So
yeah.
क्वांटिटी
I've
ग्रुप
seen
वालों
that.
को बोला कि आपको मैक्सिमम फोटोग्राफ्स क्लिक करके आना है, आप जितने ज्यादा फोटोग्राफ्स क्लिक करके आओगे मैं उतने बेटर मार्क्स आपको दूंगा. एंड क्वालिटी ग्रुप को बोला कि आपको फोटोग्राफ्स क्लिक नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ एक परफेक्ट फोटो क्लिक करके आना है, बस सिर्फ एक परफेक्ट फोटो. उसके और अगर आपका फोटो परफेक्ट होगा तो ही मैं आपको ए ग्रेड दूंगा, अदरवाइज आई वोंट गिव यू गुड मार्क्स. सो what happened was, now perfect photo a group को लाना था quality group को, but major perfect photos were found in the quantity group. Quantity group
Hmm.
actually provided more perfect photos because they were actually shooting multiple pictures. Number one, they were repeating the process, and when they were shooting pictures they were making a lot of mistakes बहुत कर रहे थे,
Then
but उसके
learning.
साथ में सीख भी रहे थे. They were learning, and so they were able to make mistakes, learn from their mistakes, and avoid repeating those mistakes. So like it's like you get to learn about something only when you start doing it. Up to a point you can start. Somebody is saying network issue हो रहा है. Am I being blurred?
Nahi,
Are you able to see me
no, I
properly?
don't feel. Yeah,
You
I
can see
can
me
see.
properly, right? Okay. So like you can learn about something up to a point only by studying it. Obviously you are into finance, so about finance you can learn something up to a point by reading it. Like you can read it and you can learn, but after a
Self-learning is
point,
just so important every single day.
true.
You cannot go without learning anything.
But self-learning, up to a point, it is theoretical. But after a point, you can learn more only by doing something.
Yeah, experiences
So
does matter.
if you do something, if you actually do something, if you actually get your hands dirty, only then you can learn it. For example, I am working partly into sales right now. I'm into marketing and sales. Now, I had no idea about sales before I took this job. I had zero experience. I had read a lot about sales. I had read a lot about talking to people, but I had not done it specifically. Now, when I went for my first sales meeting, I didn't do that great. I didn't do that well, but I managed fine. So my boss, he told me that considering your experience and considering the fact that you've never done it before, you did a fair job, and that's fine. But I got to learn about sales only after I actually tried selling something, not
Yeah,
before
and
just by
even
reading it.
that comes very true in finance also. Like you can talk about stock market, you can explain someone, but until and unless you don't go
खुद
and
करोगे
invest
तब
and
तक पता
trade
नहीं
your
चलेगा.
own money,
True.
तब तक कुछ नहीं समझेगा. I have like एक ऐसा होता भी है stock stimulator करके जहाँ पे you don't have to put your actual money, artificial money होता है, but it's a mirror of stock market जहाँ पे
True.
people who don't want to invest, who are in their Gen Zs or like 16-17 साल के लोग, but apart from that just the beginners काफी जो just start out कर रहे हैं उनके लिए ये stock stimulators are amazing क्योंकि ये आपको experience देता है कि how stock market works. पूरा मिरर इमेज होता है लाइक जस्ट द वे स्टॉक मार्केट वर्क ये भी वैसे ही वर्क करता है बट यहाँ पे आपको खुद के पैसे नहीं डालने पड़ते बस आर्टिफिशियल मनी डालना पड़ता है वर्चुअल trading virtual investing so that's also great to start out like not as an experience part but just to learn to get to
Just
know how
learn.
things work
Exactly. So
अगर बैठे
whatever,
नहीं हो तो
the same thing applies with content also. So like the more you do, the more you create, the more आपको पता चलेगा कि आपकी भी क्या गलतियां हैं, आपको भी मतलब like where are you falling short and what do you need to do. So वो आप when you practically apply it, that's when you will learn. So like I also made many mistakes. I tried out making videos which didn't work, and initially I was making Gujarati videos also just to see how they are working. They did fine up to a point, but after a point, since most of my followers are not Gujaratis, I thought okay, we can chuck that idea. But still, it's good to experiment. Like when you experiment, you obviously get to know what you're good at, but you get to know something even better. You get to know what you are not good at. So I think it's when it comes to content or literally anything, it's very important to know कि हमें क्या नहीं करना है, because most of the time we don't even know that. So if we at least first get to know कि क्या नहीं करना है, we can eliminate that. So that way, what we actually want to do becomes clearer.
awesome so एकदम so like now let's take few
Let's take a
people.
few questions.
Yep. I'm talking about people, like taking people on live.
Yeah.
Just send them request. Accept कर लेना guys.
Actually, I'm on my terrace right now, so that's
Yes.
why it's pretty
Yeah,
dark
no
over here.
problem.
Are you in Mumbai? Are you in
Yeah,
Mumbai
I'm
also?
in,
Or? हाँ, it's
yeah,
raining
yeah.
like crazy यार. 2 दिन से बहुत बारिश हो रही है.
हाँ यार काफी ज्यादा बट मजा आ रहा है ऐसे एटमॉस्फेयर में
Yeah, it's fine, but चलो ठीक है मतलब जो भी है चल रहा है फिलहाल.
तो क्वेश्चन पूछिए आपका
No, actually, I wasn't asking a question. I was just helping out people who doesn't know much about stuff. So जो लोग I mean put out कर रहे थे questions, so I was helping out those guys, and even I was
आर यू
giving out
ऑल्सो
some.
इनटू कंटेंट क्रिएशन
Actually, I'm planning out something right now. It's in the process, so I will
ओके
be a content creator soon. But right now, I'm not content creating.
ऑसम ओके
Okay, so I hope you start out soon. And if you start out, please try to make something on Instagram Reels or on LinkedIn because these are the platforms which are currently
ऑल्सो ऑन
working.
ट्विटर
Don't make the mistake which I make by creating stuff on other platforms because these two platforms are currently working. So you'll also see that your actions are getting results. So yeah, that's what I. Arey, I didn't ask your name also, yaar. I'm so sorry. Please, what is your name? It's a very wrong
Jaydeep,
time to
Jaydeep.
ask your name. Yes, Jaydeep. Okay. So Jaydeep, it was nice talking, and please take care. If you have anything, please reach out to us anytime.
Yeah,
या
sure, Ujjwal.
लव टू हेल्प यू
Thank you,
आउट
Jaydeep. Thanks a lot.
थैंक यू
I'll leave. I'll leave.
टू मोर एंड देन वी लाइक इन दिस सेशन
Yes, guys, I know there are like 63 people. We can't add everyone, but we'll try to interact with everyone as much as possible.
Yeah, and also please send requests if you have questions, valid questions to ask. So that I'm trying to add people, but then they're not accepting. They're sending requests and not accepting. Like, dude, I'm sending requests, but they're not accepting. Let's take. Okay.
Yes, Vandana, we are talking. You can ask your question. What's up?
Here it says they are unable to join. I don't know why. Anyways, like,
I think we
let's
can answer
just
the
be it.
comments only.
Yeah.
So, Divyansh, in answer to your question, I didn't leave CA. I am a qualified CA. I work in marketing, but in CA as well, I am a part-time faculty at my college, and I try giving lectures over there. So yeah, I'm doing justice to both. But I didn't like CA ka kaam. It's very tedious and it was taking a toll on me. So yeah, that's why I left it. But yes, for the record, I am a CA.
Awesome, yaar. मतलब I wanted to know like why did you shifted out ki, you know, from CA to from MBA to CA, I guess.
Me, it was from CA to MBA. I first finished my CA
Hmm.
back in 2016. Then I worked for a year or so, but then I was not liking the work at all. It was very tedious, and it's not the kind of work anybody would like, I guess.
Okay.
It was long hours and too much of monotonous work. And I obviously was always that creative kind of a guy. And majorly
Hmm.
because I was 22 and I still had time to study. So that's why I decided to go for an MBA. But during my MBA, in finance specialization, I figured that जो finance में वो लोग पढ़ाते हैं, a major part of it I had already studied in CA. So there was
Okay.
no point doing something which I've already done. So that's why I decided marketing. And फिर I got a job
Okay.
only in marketing. So yeah, that's about it.
Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Hi.
I was
Hi.
actually in my night suit right now.
No problem, dude.
चलो कोई नहीं की फर्क पैंदा. Yeah, hi, Ujjwal.
Absolutely.
Hi, I'm sorry I didn't get your name. You are?
Yeah, my name is Anamika,
Okay.
and I am also a finance content creator.
Okay.
Yeah. Awesome, dude.
So I was actually
So,
watching a conversation about like Ujjwal also being a CA and how he's also like a part-time faculty member in his college and a content creator as well. So
Yes, I mean, you are also a CA or what, madam?
yes, I am also a chartered
Okay.
accountant.
I'm so sorry, I didn't know that. I'm so sorry, my mistake. So yes, I'm finally happy that I met a fellow CA content creator. And this is very rare for me because most of the finance creators which I know, they are very much into like they are
CFA.
semi-qualified CAs or they are CFAs or CPAs or something like that. But yes, I mean this is a very good thing for me also. I'm really happy to see you. So yes,
Yeah.
finance pay,
Guys, you
finance,
need to thank
yeah.
me for this
Yes,
one.
Oh
finance.
yeah, thanks Ashna
Ashna.
for connecting us.
So in
So yeah.
finance, man, like what, like I should be taking tips from you actually because I have been trying to create content around finance. Now, basically, the kind of content which I've been trying to create is extremely very basic, simple finance, जो लोगों को समझ में आए. But like in your experience, what kind of content people are actually liking when it comes to finance? Like
So
what?
probably not the best person Ujjwal to be very honest. अभी तक मैं काफी struggle कर रही हूँ to figure out my
Hmm.
niche in terms of
Don't
content
even tell
creation.
this.
आशना
Don't
चलो
even
इसके
tell
बारे
this.
में बात करेंगे हम अपना अलग से गॉसिप करेंगे गर्ल्स गॉसिप लेकिन उज्जवल तो एक्चुअली मैंने कल ही रात में एक पोल क्रिएट किया था आस्किंग पीपल वेदर दे वांट मोर ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट एंड मार्केट बेस्ड कंटेंट और दे वांट मोर ऑफ पर्सनल फाइनेंस टिप्स एंड टू माय
Okay,
सरप्राइज आई थिंक 55-60% almost voted for so there was like a very close voting for both the options actually मतलब
okay.
एज पर माई असम्पशन आई थॉट कि मैक्सिमम जो जनता है 80% जो है वो स्टॉक मार्केट के लिए वोट करेगी बट
Hmm.
एक्चुअली इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट 55-45 वाला परसेंट था दोनों के बीच में सो
अच्छा.
दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड दैट यू नो हम जितना ज्ञान देते हैं ना स्टॉक मार्केट में ये
हाँ
कर लो
हाँ.
ये वो सब कुछ everything is fine but there is still a mass junk of audience who is clueless कि भाई हो क्या
हाँ.
रहा है फाइनेंस की स्पेस में
Yeah.
आप लोग हम तो ज्ञानी बन जाते हैं कि आप यहाँ इन्वेस्ट करो वहाँ इन्वेस्ट करो बट द बेसिक ऑडियंस डजंट नो you know terms like what is profit what is loss what is financial statements cash flow क्या होता है उनको नहीं पता ये सब so
In
that's
fact,
when I
you know, people, जो मेरा friend है एक, he's from science background, and he was like asking me, bro, what is the difference between assets and liabilities? And I was like, dude, what? तो
yes
मैं काफी
that's
shocked थी
actually
उस.
true मतलब the other day I made a very nice video on what is net worth thinking कि काफी अच्छा response आएगा and that was the worst performing video बाद में I realize कि मैं ज्ञान दे रही हूँ लेकिन जनता को नहीं पता कि what
Also,
is
I've
net
seen कि
worth
यार काफी
yeah
लोगों को ना ways to generate source of income, like पैसे
हाँ.
कहाँ से कमाए, ये सब में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. मेरे
People
रील्स
are
काफी
हाँ
exploring
वैसे
that.
टाइप्स में चढ़ते हैं.
Ujjwal you're saying something
No, I actually related a lot with what Ashna said. The way like somebody also asked here that Instagram say how we can make money. So I think
hmm.
people are more keen on having that one side source of income, how we can generate that. So yeah,
Right.
those kinds of fields are a lot like that kind of content is working.
I think as content creators हम लोग बात करते हैं about investment and all but I think the people really want to know कि investment के लिए पैसा तो आए पहले
Huh.
so that is the main concern कि the
Yeah.
job का salary like a lot of people have lost their jobs have gone for like a pay cut as well so their concern is कि give us extra income sources and not about like investing the money right now
Okay.
so that's also one major concern तो I think Ujjwal right now I'm still trying to figure out my niche कि मुझे
Hmm.
किस टाइप का कंटेंट प्रिपेयर करना है बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सपेरिमेंट इन ऑल पैटर्न्स जो हिट हो गया उसको पकड़ लेंगे और क्या
Yes, actually, I think across all creators, यही होता है. They try multiple things, and I think what I have learned basically is that I have never had one niche in particular, and I think that has worked in my favor. So I never stuck to one particular kind of content. Initially, the mistake I made was I was only creating content around motivation, inspiration, stuff like that. That's number one. Number two, I was making content around things जो लोगों ने कभी सुनी भी नहीं है, जो लोगों को समझता भी नहीं है. So I was creating content around psychology and stuff जो लोगों को समझ नहीं आता था and then I was complaining कि कोई मेरे videos देखता नहीं है. So the point is I was not giving something which people didn't like. So then I started off giving content in a simplified way. Then I did something which I thought I will never do. I created comedy videos. I created reels around comedy because I thought कि मुझसे कभी नहीं होगा. But again, I experimented and people liked it. People even liked it. So I ventured into that. Then I ventured into CA studies, like studies part of CA, how students can do. And that's one aspect that I suggest even you try doing it. Because अभी CA के exams I think आने वाले होंगे और I think they got cancelled. I don't know what's going on.
They got
So
cancelled.
they were cancelled, yes. So abhi students might be a little worried about that. So that is one
Right.
area. And CA के बाद I started created reels about Hindu history, basically about gods and Hindu stuff. So
Yeah.
one of those videos went crazy viral. So major part of those videos are getting viral. And lastly, one aspect is that people are taking a lot of interest in how the mind works, like subconscious mind, and aspects related to psychology and that subconscious mind specifically. Because I think that topic is a lot into discussion. So उसके ऊपर I
Also, like
tried
we
to
can also try to make videos on psychology of money. Like वो भी काफी
So
ज़्यादा चलता है.
Sharan has been doing. So Sharan is also a finance
Sharon is
content
watching
creator.
it.
Yeah,
शरण है
he
क्या
is. पता
Yeah,
नहीं
yeah,
उसको
yeah.
ऐड करो अगर वॉच कर रहा है.
Add
So he
किया
does
मैंने,
very
but
good
he's not
job
accepting.
over here in terms of
नहीं
making the
recently
videos
crossed
around the psychology of
yes
money
yes
and all.
so
I did
around
saw your
for
videos, Ujjwal, on spirituality and Hindu mythology because I'm
हाँ
also
हाँ
into spirituality and
अच्छा
वो कभी और बाद में
You
बात
guys gonna
करेंगे.
no but people are interested in those subjects now more than ever. People are liking it, people are thinking about it. No, back in my day, like 5-6 years ago, people used to dismiss those kind of things as jokes and people didn't believe much, but now thankfully people are taking interest in those things. They are actually wanting to know more. So I think
Right.
that's a good part. And if we are at least being a source in providing that kind of information, that's a good thing as well. So yeah, that's about it.
In
So yeah,
fact, there is
Sharan,
this concept called
yes, yes.
manifestation and law of
हाँ
attraction as well.
हाँ 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 हाँ
So that
yes
is something where probably we'll do a separate live chat altogether as to how
हाँ
you can really manifest and
yes
use the law of universe to attract money in
yes
your
yes
life. So
तो
Ashna's having this skeptical smile on her face.
यार अभी न्यूज़ बदल देना चाहिए.
You guys
So
gonna
how?
guide me.
So now
So
she
is
should
Sharon
change the name
joining, by the
from
way?
sorry
No,
Sharon
he
आ रहा है
left.
क्या?
नहीं उसने accept नहीं किया.
Okay. So
Maybe
yeah.
वो भी ना address में होगा.
हाँ हो सकता है. So yeah, but नहीं, I think right now for all the content creators, I think everyone is Ujjwal and Ashna kind of right now figuring out. I think very few of them have really cracked the code कि किस टाइप का content चलता है उनके audience
Like
के लिए.
Anushka dude. You might have seen her content.
Anushka has been pretty consistent, I would say, with her content since the time she started.
I've
So
seen like
and
उसका काफी मतलब बैलेंस्ड रहता है, म्यूजिक भी रहता है एंड
hmm,
मतलब उसका niche is around business, finance and a lot of different things. And I'm
right,
like super niche specific हमारा जो
right,
content है. So even I'm
yeah,
planning to like diversify my content towards business because now my like the username is all about money. So anything related to money can be
exactly.
involved in my content.
right. So yeah. So I think it's all about experimenting and then figuring out what works best for your platform. In fact, even Neha Nagar jo hai, the other
हाँ
day even वो भी live session में even she was kind of discussing the same with another influencer that what content should I really, because उसका भी I think reach थोड़ा सा एक point के बाद stagnate हो गया था. So then even she became a bit experimental with the musical reels and those Elon Musk wala Dogecoin wala funny reels. I think that
I've
after
seen
that
that.
it really took off. So थोड़ा experiment करना पड़ेगा and that's how it will work, I think.
एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन लाइक कंटेंट क्रिएटर का एक मेन फोकस होता है कि हर वीक एक्सपेरिमेंट करते रहना पड़ता है उनको
Dude,
कोई ना कोई न्यू चीज.
every day is a new challenge, literally
yeah
speaking. मतलब the people watching they think कि 30 seconds का तो reel है, हाँ ठीक है देख के निकाल लो, but they don't know how much
the
work
effort
goes
it goes
behind the scene to
a lot of it
from
goes.
scratch to the end process. So, yeah. So,
I
anyways.
want to connect with Maniran sir. Okay, like you can
Okay,
text me,
so should I
DM me.
drop off? Should I drop off? Probably not in a best
Yeah,
attire right now.
Yes,
no, no
All
problem. We
right,
are
so
anyway
bye,
ending the
Ashna.
live.
Okay,
So bye.
bye, Ashna.
yes.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you for joining. Okay, like just last question and we'll wind
Yeah.
it up. Any advice for upcoming content creators? Yeah, any book recommendation from your side which you felt a life-changing experience from that?
Book. When it comes to book recommendation, I recommend this one book to everybody, like literally everybody. It's called The
Hmm.
Art of the Good Life by Rolf
I've never
Dobelai.
heard that.
I mean, many people have not heard about this book, and it's sad that many people haven't heard it. So I try to recommend this book to as many people as possible. I might as well type it down. It's called The Art of the Good Life.
I texted you, but you didn't
Yeah,
reply.
The
अभी
Art
पक्का
of the
reply
Good Life.
दूंगी. Yeah,
The
yeah.
Art of the Good
Sorry.
Life by Rolf Dobelai. This
Hmm.
book has really changed my perception about a lot of things, and that's the best part about this book. So, like, he just talks about, like, we have some very preconceived notions in our heads. We think a lot about things, and we give things a lot of attention which we otherwise should not. Like,
Hmm.
I'll tell you something. It can blow your mind. It's a concept from this book, which actually it says that 90% of everything in the world is nonsense. That's what this. There is a concept. Now, this is not just a statement; it's actually a law. It is called
Hmm.
Sturgeon's law. You can Google it after this live. It's called
Okay.
Sturgeon's law. It was invented by a comic book writer called Ted Sturgeon. He said that
Okay.
90% of everything in the world is nonsense. So 90% of content is nonsense, 90% of books are nonsense, 90% of work is nonsense, and only 10% of it matters.
Hmm.
So yeah, that's one new thing which I learned जो मैंने कभी सुना नहीं था. So there are many such new things, some very never before heard things in this book, which really opened my eyes to a lot many things and allowed me to take things a little less seriously than I did earlier.
Hmm.
So that's one. The second book, by far one of the best books I've read, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. I mean, yeah, ये काफी general book है, but again I suggest it to everyone because it really is a great book if you want to start talking and connecting with people on a better level. And lastly, we spoke a little bit about manifestation and law of attraction, etc.
Hmm.
So there's one book called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind.
Yeah, it's
That's
awesome.
it's a revolutionary book. It's one of the best books I've read. It actually tells you कि आप अपना दिमाग कैसे use कर सकते हो. How can you actually use the power of your subconscious mind.
See,
So in a
someone's
nutshell, I'd
asking
say
what's the name of the first book. It's The Art of Living Life.
नहीं,
है ना?
the it's the art of the good life.
Okay, The Art of the Good Life.
The
Okay, so sorry.
the good life by Rolf. Sorry, just a second.
Send book names. I'll like put out this live on my account so that you can check it out anytime soon if you
I
want
just put
to.
it down. It's called The Art of
Hmm.
the Good Life by Rolf Dobelai. That's number one. Pin होता
I have pinned it. Maybe some network issues from Ujjwal's side.
Yes, I'm sorry. I don't know why I got dropped off. Can you
I'm
see me?
not,
Can you hear me
yeah,
properly? हाँ,
better.
ठीक है. So anyway, yeah, that's one book, and the last one was Power of Your Subconscious Mind and How to Win Friends and Influence People. And when it comes to suggestion to new creators, number one, please Instagram Reels पे content बनाओ, or you
Hmm.
can make content on LinkedIn. That too documented. The second one, don't try to create content which is easily available. मतलब कोई भी एक ऐसा कोट जो बहुत चल रहा है. For example, if there is a quote like honesty is the best policy, I can't make it on a reel because everybody knows it. सबको मालूम है and सबको पता है कि क्या मतलब है उसका. So you see the reels which are getting viral of people. In those reels, they're actually trying to explain something जो लोगों को easily पता नहीं होता. People don't know about those things, and that's why people share it because it is not known. So
So like
that's
make shareable and savable content. Like ये
exactly
तो basic चीज है.
something which is not known easily, जो लोगों को पता नहीं होता. Third, don't blindly copy any creator. उसने जो बोला मैं वही बोल दूंगा. You can do that provided you're giving them credit. Number one, and you can do that. You can actually copy someone, but if you are
Feel like an
presenting
artist.
but if you are presenting the same thing in a different manner, मतलब आप अपना खुद का कुछ टेस्ट कुछ फ्लेवर डाल के वो प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I created something, I created a reel like one topic, but then I came up with this, like I tried putting it this way that two versions of Ujjwala talking to one another. So when I started off, even Ashna does that, many people have
Yeah.
started doing it. So when I started doing that, I felt that people are liking that even more. So that was just a way of presenting myself. People like that. I mean, when two Ujjwals are talking, it kind of looks like a story, like a skit, and people like that kind of content more. The message is the same. जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ वो भी same है, but the way I presented it, that's what made the difference. So that is about it, about presenting yourself properly. And number 4, I would say experimenting with your content. That's important, but more important is knowing कि क्या चल रहा है और क्या नहीं चल रहा. And if you just get to know first कि क्या नहीं चल रहा
Like
है,
go towards the latest trends.
you can actually eliminate it. Trends का मुझे पता नहीं because I don't really go towards the trends. अभी मैंने कोई म्यूजिक पे कोई वीडियो कभी नहीं बनाया, and I don't even like doing that.
No, not about
I
the music ones to be specific, but अगर कोई news भी अगर trend पे है, like
exactly
just the current affairs and all.
हाँ, like exactly. So that's what I have been doing also. So like whenever there is some particular specific day, for example on Hanuman Jayanti ka din, I made a reel on Hanuman Ji. On the day of Buddh Purnima, I created a reel on Gautam Buddh. So that's called moment marketing. Like for example, वो एक अभी बीच में सीन हुआ था, ship pitch में trap हो गई थी. There was a ship trap somewhere, some carrier, evergreen carrier, something, I can't remember.
Yeah. Even I
So that
forgot
got
that
trapped.
told.
So I missed out on that actually. उस पे भी मैं content बना सकता था, but मैंने बनाया नहीं.
Also एक और चीज पे भी मैंने मिस किया कि जो ऑक्सीजन वाला स्टॉक which went up so high.
Yeah.
I don't remember the name, but मैं उस पे बना सकती थी, but I just procrastinated and फिर सबने डालना चालू कर दिया वो रील. I was
know.
like जैसे रिलीज हुआ न्यूज, I was the one who came to know, मतलब जैसे ही रिलीज हुआ ना, मतलब जैसे न्यूज पे आया, I was like कि हाँ इस पे बनाऊंगी, और प्रोक्रास्टिनेट करते 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 फिर सबने एक ही चीज पे
हाँ.
रील बना दी, तो इट वाज वेरी मोनोटोनस. तो मैं
So exactly, it's the first movers advantage kind of a thing. So yeah, these are the suggestions. But otherwise, अभी ये collaboration का भी एक scene है. अभी
Suez Canal,
Sharan,
yeah.
Suez Canal, हाँ. So abhi Sharan has been doing this one really nice thing, and even I am starting to do that. I'm trying to do that. He's been collaborating with creators, and he has
Even we
been
decided
making
that.
crossovers. So like
Yeah.
I really admired that idea, and like that is also a good thing. So
I saw that
like
first
this,
on Drishti's reel. काफी exciting था, look, very fun. It would be
exactly.
fun to even make. The process was
हाँ.
very enjoyable.
Yeah. In starting it may be difficult. It may be difficult to collaborate with creators and to make something so like a 30-second reel also they have to shoot, they have
But
to
you
edit.
know, it's not very hard for people who are already creating just a dual role content. Just say even
Exactly.
you are doing, even I am doing, even Sharon is doing. So that's not very difficult for creators like us. But जो Rajamani type content बनाते हैं, like 3 things about this,
हाँ.
it might be hard for them, although they won't try this.
No, but
But
ठीक है, it's fine. If you really want to do something, then nothing can stop you from trying it. So that is one aspect. But otherwise, yeah, I mean, if you really want to create, and last part I'd like to say is consistency. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आज बनाते हैं, कल छोड़ते हैं. Let's see how it works. Because when it comes to content specifically, towards the beginning, you will not see any numbers coming. You will not see any growth. You will not see anything happening. But in that time, if you are able to do it consistently, then after a point, it's going to shoot dramatically. And I think both for me and Ashna, I can say this one thing, that we were not getting numbers towards the start, but वो एक video आया and that one video changes everything. But for that one video to come, you have to
Also,
make a
another thing
series
which I
of
would like to
videos.
add here is कि you know the moment you put out, sorry, my battery indicator. So I was
No, it's okay.
what was I saying? हाँ कि अगर जो reel you are just posting out recently like a one day or it's just been a day or two, so it won't take that speed. But once that reel gets older, like you put out
हाँ,
content, you put out, फिर वो stack up होके फिर
yes,
you know पिछले वाले reels काम करना चालू करते हैं.
yes,
Like
yes.
this is what happens with me. I
With
don't know
everything.
about other creators, but
Yes,
मेरे
yes.
साथ ऐसा होता है काफी. You know जो पीछे पीछे जो पहले वाले reels डाले थे, जो काम नहीं कर रहे थे, वो भी काम करना चालू कर देते after some moment of time. तो ऐसे instant results मत देखो. Like it will take time eventually to grow. Consistent रहोगे तो आगे आपके पीछे वाले reels भी काम करेंगे. Even though if they are
Exactly.
not working upbeat.
Yes, even I've
Awesome.
observed that happens.
So thank you so much उज्जवल. काफी हमने
Yes,
इनफैक्ट हम आधा घंटा सेशन करने वाले थे. It's been 1 hour.
but it's
Thank
fine.
you
It was
so
a good
much.
session. It was interactive.
All yeah,
Thank
absolutely.
you.
काफी insights
Yes.
मिले. Thank you so much for joining in.
Thanks a lot.
Hope to
Thank
do
you.
more such live sessions
Yes, I
again.
hope so too.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Good night, everyone. Thank you.
Good night. Thank you guys for joining in. It was an amazing session. All the 54, 60 people who have like stayed till the end. I really appreciate for being here for an hour. Thank you so much. And I'll see you again in my next live. Hoping to provide more value.